If you've been seeing ads for Ggvtrend.com all over your feed, especially those miracle skincare patches and the too good to be true buy one get one free deals, then this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down whether Ggvtrend.com is a legit skincare shop or a website you should avoid at all costs. Stay with me till the end because some of these findings will surprise you. Let's start with what the site is promoting. Ggvtrend.com has gained a lot of attention for products like their so-called GLP-1 slimming patch and an instant eye tightening cream. Their marketing looks sleek, the discounts are aggressive, and honestly, the offers are designed to pull you in fast. But the moment you look behind the curtain, things get questionable. Many of the products showcased on Ggvtrend.com appear nearly identical to items you can find on Alibaba for a fraction of the price. This suggests the site is operating on a dropshipping model, ordering cheap items in bulk and marking them up massively without offering any clear value or proof of effectiveness. That doesn't automatically mean scam, but it does raise transparency concerns. But here's where things get really suspicious. Their terms of service page lists a date of February 7th, 2025. Sounds normal until you realize the domain itself wasn't registered until March 20th, 2025. That means the legal documents were created before the website even existed. This is a major red flag and usually points to recycled or copy-pasted content from other questionable stores. Next, let's talk about contact details, because every legitimate business should make it easy to reach them. Ggvtrend.com provides no phone number, only a generic address, and nothing that builds trust. And their return policy? It promises a money-back guarantee but gives no real instructions, no email, no form, nothing that tells you how to actually get a refund. And it isn't just theory. Multiple customers have reported receiving counterfeit or completely different products than what they ordered. Others say their items never arrived at all. And when they tried contacting customer service, they got no response. When you combine unreliable delivery, unclear refund processes, and zero customer support, it becomes extremely hard to trust the platform. So is Ggvtrend.com a scam? While we can't confirm intent, the lack of transparency, the suspicious policies, and the poor customer experience paint a very concerning picture. My advice? Avoid this site and stick to verified retailers with real accountability. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your experience in the comments, especially if you've ordered from Ggvtrend.com. Your story might help someone else avoid a bad purchase. Thanks for watching.